So this website that I'm about to tell you about is called Into the Book. What is Into the Book? So Into the Book is a free online resource that has videos, lesson plans, and activity guides for teachers and students. And it helps students who are just really struggling with reading or writing comprehension. Why I chose Into the Book, so in addition to being the middle school math teacher here at my school, I'm also the learning strategies coordinator and the resource teacher. So I'm constantly trying to find new ways to present students with solutions. So classroom teachers don't have to spend all of their time researching that and devoting their time to finding new ways to present the material. So Into the Book is a great resource to have up my sleeve. So a few ISTE standards that apply to this website is teachers design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. So basically, this website allows me to choose what I want my student to focus on, which allows me to align it to content standards with a digital tool. And another one is through educational leaders, and it ensures all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So my job is to give this tool to the teachers so that students can learn. My purpose/goal is to get as many resources in my possession as possible, so that if a teacher comes to me saying, I have this problem, I can give them a resource to help that problem. And Into the Book is just another one of those resources up my sleeve. So when you go to Into the Book, here's what it looks like. You can see in the right-hand corner, it says Students, Teaching Tools, and Professional Learning. So not only does it have a student website, it also has a teacher website and professional development opportunities. So right here is what it looks like for students. So if you click that middle button right here, we'll log into what it looks like for a student. So a student, you can first time hit get your key, and this was my key when I typed in my name. Or returning, I could have typed this in right there. And then students are given these options, which are summarize, synthesize, questioning, evaluating, inferring, all of those kinds of reading and language arts standards that students have to meet. Or this middle one is putting them all together. So a student could really need to focus on summarizing or really need to focus on questioning, but then once they get all of them down, they can put them all together into this middle section. So once a student clicks, so I clicked on summarizing here, once a student clicks on one of them, they're usually given two options that they can choose from, and it really just leads them through an activity that helps them learn how to summarize. So on the teacher's side, once you hit Teaching Tools, this is what you see. Resources for all of those different categories that students are looking at. Also just has academic standards and reading resources and projects for teachers to look at. And really you can click on, again, just if you click on resources on the side, you can click on each one of these that students are working on in their individual videos and figure out what your student needs to focus on. So again, this website is called Into the Book, and it really is just a way for students to focus and learn more about reading comprehension and writing.